Hi fourth graders and parents, today I'm going to guide you through how to use Google Classroom. It has already been 2 weeks since we started our distance learning, and starting from this weekend I'm going to start collecting and grading your homework. And the tool that I'm going to use is called Google Classroom. And I assume many of you might find it new, so I'm going to guide you step by step so that you can understand how to upload your homework through this website. And to begin with, you need to pull out your search engine, and I'm going to use Google Chrome or just Google, and I'm going to punch in Google Classroom. And please click on the very first one. And well, you already see my classroom here. It's because I have added it already. But for you, because it's going to be empty, you need to click on this plus sign and click on join class. And you need to write down your class code. I have sent an email with the link and the class code to your parents, so you can check it through your email. But our class code is ETGPBRJ, and then click on join. And you will see this main page, and I want you to click on classwork. And here you can see a list of homework. It looks a lot, but it's not that much because it's we're at 2 weeks. And I want you to click on the homework that you're done and ready to submit. But for the example, I'm going to click on journal number 2 and then view assignment. And you will see 2 comments area. First one is public comments, where you can share with everyone. If you want something more private, you can use this section over here. And once you're done, just click this section, add or create. And for journal, you can write on computer, or if you have already written on your notebook, just take a phone or take a camera to take a photo of your work and just connect it to your computer. So for example, if this is my journal, I took a quick photo of my journal and I sent it to my computer. And just click on file, because you're going to upload your photo, and drag your files here and click on upload. And just wait a little bit. And once you can see your work on this section, that means you're ready to turn in. And just click on turn in. And that's it for you. So now you're done with Grammar Journal 2 homework. But for whatever reason you make a mistake and you want to redo it, then that's not a problem, because you just need to click on unsubmit. Then you can just delete your file, and you just need to add it again and just turn in, and that's for you. If you're done turning in, then you will see the part that you have submitted. So look at this line here. So unlike the other one, this one is gray because you're done with it. So now you need to move on to the next homework. Okay, then let me show you another example. Math homework, view assignment, and look at the homework. So the funny thing about this homework is that it's pretty different when you access through your computer or through your iPad or phone. So if it's your computer, You can only see the file and you can't write on it, but if you access through iPad or phone, you can actually write down your answer on top, and then you can just save it and then turn it. But if you're using computer and if you have worked on your notebook, then that's not a problem again, because you just need to, well, don't copy every single question on your notebook because it's gonna take a long time. You just need to write that number. For example, if you're working on this one, just write down number 1 and write down circumference and write down diameter times by pi and just write down your answer, which is 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. That's all I need. And just take a quick snapshot of your work and turn it, and that's it for you again. So, and once you're done, you can see what's upcoming, and you can also check which one you've done and which one you need to work on. And please keep track of your homework. And everything is due next Monday, but if you need some more time or if you need some extension, you can just let me know and we can talk it through. But that's it for my instruction on how to use Google Classroom, and I hope you all stay safe and well and happy studying. Let's see you soon. Bye bye.